Hello, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use an email adapter, outbound and inbound. Introduction. In this video, we demonstrate how to use the SKYVVA email adapter for both outbound and inbound processing. The adapter supports sending emails from Salesforce and receiving emails into Salesforce with business data. It supports file types such as CSV, XML, and JSON as attachments or structured payloads in the email body. You can also pass parameters through the email subject, body, and recipient address. When an inbound email arrives in Salesforce, SKYVVA automatically initiates the data import process using the attached file or the supported body payload format. Now, let's start it. We already have an existing integration, so click on the integration.
Click on Interface tab.
Here's the interface we previously created.
Click on it to proceed.
This interface has no message type assigned, but you may attach one if necessary. It is configured with API version 3 and an inbound direction. Click Open Mapping. Here, you can see the mapping is already defined. We map just one level because only the account needs to be sent. Then press Save button. Go to Adapter page to create new adapter. Click New button. Input name of adapter. Select email adapter type. Select inbound direction and select active status. Select the file type. It supports CSV, XML, and JSON files. For now, we've selected CSV. Then, choose the separator. We'll use a comma.
Click Save.
The adapter saves successfully, then go to Interface and link it on Interface. Find the section Inbound Setup. Click Edit. Select the adapter name. Then Save button. The next step in the inbound configuration. Flow to send data from email into Salesforce need to create an email service in Setup. Click on Setting and select Setup. Type email service into the quick find box to find it.
Select on it.
Click on New Email Service button. Input the name. Select for the Apex class name. Accept email from Select All. Check Active box. Then Save button. Next, continue to create the email address. Click the New Email Address button. Input the email address name. In the Accept Email From field, you can enter email addresses or domain names that are authorized to send emails to the service. Note: the addresses entered here must match the sender's email. If the sender's email does not match, emails from those addresses or domains will not be processed into Salesforce. This email is set as the default the organization's email, but you can remove it if needed. Then Save button. The email address has now been created. Copy this email address to use when sending emails. Now, go to Email and send the data. Enter the email address that was created in the email service. Next, type in the subject. Set the integration field equal to the integration name and the interface field equal to the interface name. We'll be sending the data in the body of the email. First, we'll showing you with a CSV file. And copy it pass on body email. Then click Send. Go to check the message monitor. Here you can see that one complete message has been created. Expand the API message. You'll see that all business messages indicate the account has been created successfully. Now we will show one more example by sending data in XML format. Here is the interface.
Click on it.
The interface is not linked to a message type. It uses API version 3, and the direction is set to inbound. Open the mapping. The mapping is already defined with two hierarchical levels, account to account and contact to contact. This structure is used to send hierarchical data.
Save button.
Now we'll create a new adapter. Since we don't want to edit the old one, we need to create a separate adapter. The creation steps are the same as the first example. The only difference is that this time we select XML as the type. Then Save button. Here the adapter created successfully. Back to interface and link the adapter on it. Select adapter name. Then Save button. Now go to sending the email. Enter the email address that was created in the email service. Then, type in the subject. Set the integration field equal to the integration name and the interface field equal to the interface name. Now, let's see the XML file first. Here is the XML format for push into Salesforce. Copy it to pass into the email body. Then click Send. After send the email, go to check the message monitoring on integration. Here, you can see that the message has been created. Click the drop-down to view the business messages. The inbound email message displays this logo type, and account is the parent of the contact. Now go to sending and use the attach file option is the sample one more. Click the attach file and select file name. Then click Send. After send email, go to check message monitor. Here, you can see that the message has been created once more. For the inbound email adapter, data can be sent in two ways: as written content in the email body or as an attached file using one of the following file types: CSV, XML, and JSON. Click on Account to view in Salesforce. This account has a relationship with the contact, where the account is the parent and the contact is the child. In this video, we also show the outbound process. Navigate to the outbound interface and click on it to begin the process. In the interface settings, you may link a message type if needed. This interface uses API v3 and is configured for outbound direction. Then open the mapping button. The mapping is already completed. Here we are only showing it for demonstration purposes. Then Save button. We have set the transfer package size field to 100. You can adjust this field if you want to bundle multiple records into a single API callout. If it is not set, the default value is 1. Next step, go to Create Outbound Adapter. Click New button. Enter the name. And select Email Adapter Type. Select Outbound Direction and Active Status. Enter the subject name and enter the recipient email to receive the file after the process completes successfully. Then provide the CC email addresses. Once the API callout is successful, the file will be delivered to the specified emails. Choose where to send the payload. It can send as body or as an attachment. In this step, select body. Choose the payload format. The available options are CSV, XML, and JSON. Now choose with CSV. Checkbox with has file header and separator comma. Then Save button. The adapter was created successfully. Click on the interface. Scroll down, find section Outbound Setup. Click Edit. And select Name Adapter. And save. The adapter has been successfully linked to the interface. You can proceed with manual processing. Select on Interface, check on Box, and click Interface Processing button. Then Send. This interface has been executed. Please check the message monitor. Search. Here is the message created. Click drop down the message to view the business message. The data is sent out including both account and contact records. Then, verify the file that was delivered to the recipient's email. The notification email is sent after the outbound callout has successfully processed the data. This is the CSV payload. When we select to place the payload as the body, it will appear like this. In CSV format, when we map data with a hierarchical structure, the header appears the same as shown here. The data will be sent for all accounts with their child contacts, as well as accounts without child. For more examples, we will show you a callout using a JSON file as well. Create new adapter. Enter the name. Select the email adapter type. Select outbound direction and active status. Enter the subject name. Enter the recipient email. And enter the CC email. Now select the attachment and payload format as JSON. Then enter file name of attachment file and Save button. Link adapter on interface and Save button. Then execute manual processing once more. This interface has been executed. Go to check message monitor. After the message is created, the payload will be delivered to the configured email address. Here is the JSON file that was sent as an email attachment. You can download the file and open it to view the data. This is the JSON data that was retrieved from Salesforce. Another case, outbound processing can also be executed automatically by configuring and starting the scheduler. Now click on Scheduler tab. The scheduler can be configured at different levels. Per integration, start it on integration execution. per interface group, started on interface group execution. And per interface, started on interface execution. For this example, we will start with interface execution. Then, set the time interval to start every minute, so configure it to run for 2 minutes.
Click Save.
Now click on the button Start. The next scheduled run indicates the time when the scheduler will execute the interface automatically. Go to Setup, check the scheduled job. The next scheduled run has been updated. The previous job has been executed, and the scheduler is now ready for the next execution. Then please check the message monitor. The message has been created. This is the file attachment that was delivered to the email.
Summary.
The SKYVVA email adapter allows Salesforce to send and receive business data via email. It supports CSV, XML, and JSON file types, either as attachments or in the email body. Parameters can be passed through the subject, body, or recipient address. For inbound emails, SKYVVA automatically triggers the data import process using the attachment or body payload. For outbound emails, data can be sent manually or via a scheduler. Thanks you for watching. See you the next video.